Find the interval. Fx plus 2x square is monotonic. যেহেতু monotonic বলেছি, increasing decreasing ওর মধ্যেই আছে। Solution. Given fx সমান x square ধরলাম, all x belongs to r, f dash x নিলাম 2x, all x belongs to r. ইন্টারভ্যাল যেহেতু বের করতে দিয়েছে, তার মানে কি fx greater than 0, f dash x greater than 0 imply fx is monotonic closing. যেহেতু monotonic বলেছে, 2x greater than equals to 0, that implies x belongs to 0 to infinity. Therefore, fx is increasing 0 to infinity. Fx is decreasing in f dash x less than 0 less equals to 0. That implies কি হবে? 2x less equals to 0, that implies x less equals to 0. 0 থেকে ছোট, imply x belongs to কত? X belongs to minus infinity to 0. তাহলে fx is monotonic decreasing. ঠিক আছে?